Hey guys, today I'll be showing you a rundown of some progress I made with coding a boss battle for my platform game. So here we have his first attack. He does a rush attack that goes side to side of the room 3 times. He has another animation where he walks up to you and hits you with his sword. And the third one that you just saw and that he's doing right now is he'll teleport into the middle of the room to fire out a bunch of fireballs. And then when the boss's health drops under 50%, he gets access, or rather his attack moves switch up a bit. His rush attack gets faster. He does this shield charge up move that throws out a shockwave. His fireballs have a shorter interval in between them, so they come out much faster. And this last move that I'm trying to wait out right now is going to be where he stabs the sword in the ground to perform a, I guess what you call a column beam attack that comes out from underneath the player. There it is. So yeah, anyways, if you'd like to see how I coded this, leave a comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys.